Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and this is episode 482. It's just midday recap for stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the recap and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once stream is done, join us on Discord. Links in the description, guys. Thank you all for being here. Yo, sure, man. 1 second. Doesn't matter. Thank you for being here. Jeffrey, Kathy, a lot of people in the house. Thank you all for being here. Soka, what's up, man? Sorry about the stream starting a little bit late than usual. I was dealing with some shit. Sorry for cursing also. I was dealing with some stuff. DHL botched a package delivery, and now they said they tried to deliver when they didn't even arrive at the house, and then they say, oh well, you know what, now it's gonna take 48 hours for the next delivery, man. And also, by the way, you gotta pay in for fees, and they give me like a number, right? And I'm like, dude, what the hell, that's like half of the price of the goods that I bought. It was because we import in batch, and basically you pay everything that goes in that batch pays taxes, so, and then it's divided equally among the packages. So I was like, okay, so if a Ferrari gets imported along with my goods, I'm gonna have to pay half of the cost of the Ferrari import taxes. That's what you're telling me. Well, yeah, that's how it works. And I'm like, that's freaking dumb. Like I told him, like, you charge me half of the goods value just for the import taxes. That's dumb as shit. It's 16%. That's what it pays for import taxes. And then customs fees, if you want to consider it a little bit extra, but what they're charging is a dumb ass amount. I'm so freaking pissed right now. I was like on a call with them. I was like, you know what? Just freaking put in delivery at, you know, the location that is nearest to me. I don't want to talk to you anymore. That is it. I'm done. I'm like so freaking fired up. If I kept on going, I was like, I'm not going to solve anything and just get more damage. So rather stay away from that conversation. Aaron says, DHL is always a mess. I know. They are a shitty company, man. I hate them. I hate working with them. I think it's the only way I could get that good delivery though. So sorry about the rant. It's all good. Chilling, trying to relax myself from that freaking call. I'm gonna have to call them later and try to like wrench everything else, because it's just freaking stupid what they're charging me. And like the upcharge they're doing, it's insane. It shouldn't be like that. Jesus, man. Anyways, what is up, guys? Hope you're all having a good day. Mine was good until freaking DHL lied by saying they were trying to deliver. There's been someone at the house the whole freaking day, man. They didn't even ring the bell. Oh, well, the person was out there, but they didn't ring the bell. I was like, yeah, how am I supposed to know that they arrived, you know? Sometimes they lie, though. Since I live in a street that has a lot of cars that go through, sometimes they don't find parking, and just they don't want to get out of the car to deliver, or they cannot find anywhere near to park, and instead of parking up ahead and coming back to deliver, they just said that, you know, there was no one in the domicile. I was like, that's dumb, dude. That is the dumbest excuse ever. There's someone here like the whole freaking day that has to wait for them because, you know, it's open delivery time. It's anywhere from 8 in the morning till 8 at night. Someone has to be at the house the whole time. Jesus, man. Let's move on. Let's get onto this camera, man. Yo, James, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Sorry about all that rant is just freaking insane, man. Doesn't matter. I'll send you a link in a second, man. I know you wanted a Teespring. There's 2 places to get the goods. I just need to find the one for the store here. Where's the store, man? Where is the store? There's a store, man. And let's get, there's another store, which is a Stream Elements merch. I have 2 stores, right, with merch. If you want to check it out, I think they both work. So here's the other one. Link to buy a couple of shirts. Yeah, that's the one on the top, and then the one on the bottom has also, right? I mean, they're different. Stream Elements doesn't allow me to do many things. They just allow me to do like one element, but the shirt quality on Stream Elements is really good. And then Teespring is also supposed to be really good, but they allow me to do. So you guys can find them there. Yo.
What's up?
There we go. I think I should be fine now. I'm not sure when I muted myself, but there it is. Yep, we're back. Awesome. Sorry about that. I don't know when I hit the mute button by accident. I had to move something here in my settings, and yeah, I think I accidentally hit the mute button. Thank you all for being here again. There's just Teespring, so you guys want to check it out. The links are there. You can find shirts, you can find other stuff. I'm not sure if you got that, but I think that the quality of the shirts on the Stream Elements shop, it's better, but they don't allow me to do much design, and then the ones on Teespring are also pretty good quality. On that note, let's go to crypto and figure out what's going on, right? Bitcoin going up. And resistance, more or less we were expecting to find resistance, right? I mean, we have the 20 moving average up there, right by that $49,691 mark. Again, finding some resistance, pushing back a little bit. That is fine. We have the hidden bullish divergence, trying to run on that. Again, that's good. Let's go here on this chart, right? The 4-hour. Remember when we had this bearish divergence up here and we broke this line of resistance, support? We broke the downside. We went on that bear trend, right? Now we had this line here that was acting as a resistance. We created the strong bullish divergence. We're breaking it. So now we could say we're in the start of a small bull trend, right? Just like here we went on a small bear trend, right? I'll highlight it real quick with something. Maybe with the measure. I want to make a square here. This was our bear trend, right? Until we broke it here to the upside. Well, now we're starting an uptrend, right? So where are we going to go on that uptrend, right? That's going to be interesting. This is our start of the uptrend. Here we actually broke, and then we started to go up. So again, we're starting an uptrend. That's pretty good. So let's keep on rolling, right? What do we have here on the other chart? I think it might have been this one that I had on, maybe. Yeah. So we had the falling wedge that we were talking about. Yesterday we had it up to here because we didn't have this data until like by the time we were doing the stream. By the time we were doing the stream, we re-anchored, said, look, this is where the point is at. Let's go from high to low, take a measure move, and have targets, right? That target puts us somewhere around 58,400, more or less. Could be looking for that move to the upside, man, right? So at Bitcoin level, will I wear the leggings? I'm not gonna wear those leggings. That's a good question. Seamus might wear the leggings. I'm not sure. Thank you all for being here, man. Let's keep rolling. Again, potential action to the upside, right? What are we doing on the 4-hour candle? We're rejecting a zone that we knew could be resistance, right? It's here. 49,691, close to it. That's good enough, right? That is good enough. Maybe that target should be here, right? If we look here, we did get a rejection here also at the zone, right? Like we opened up here, and now that's more or less the same price area that we're rejecting. That's fine. I mean, the areas are just there for us to know where we could move, right? Now we're trying to find support near 48,218. That is fine. It could be getting some pullback before we actually continue to the upside. Just like on that moving down, we got action to the upside also as we kept on moving down. Not really worried about Bitcoin yet. Like I said, it's fine. We're not doing the measure move of the head and shoulders that we were looking at the other day, right? This double head that was going to get us to at least go to 41,000. At least we didn't drop there. We're trying to recover. We're breaking above that midline, which is fine. This should be going, right? That double bottom no longer applies. But we're moving up on this, and this is good, right? Hey, 100K Bitcoin, I have to wear leggings. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure if I have the legs for leggings, man. Bat is looking great. Yeah, we can do bat. No worries. Let's keep rolling, man. Again, Bitcoin on the move to the upside, right? Let's see if we can go for a measure move. A lot of resistances to the upside. Let's go on the 1 hour, man. On the 1 hour, where are we at? Dropping, pumping back up on the bullish divergence. We didn't care about this hidden bearish. We no longer have this hidden bearish, right? It did move us down slightly, which is fine. Popping up on that, that's great. Here on the hidden, I was expecting a hit at 45,400. We didn't get it, but that was a hit I was expecting to get before we actually try to run again. It would have been a good area of support to bounce at, maybe the 20 even. But what we're seeing right now is this move here. We're just gonna start creating strong bearish divergence, right? And that's where we're getting the move to come down a little bit, right? So Gavin's in the house. He says, do Bitcoin to Canadian dollar. Sure, man. 1 second. Again, strong bearish divergence, action to downside, going there, finding support at 48,218. Let's go here. Bitcoin Canadian dollar. Sure, man. Anyways, flagging a little bit, going for that support. That is fine. Not really worried about the move yet. We got this cross also, right? MACD over the signal line, which is good. We get it after the stream. We got it yesterday. Yeah, we got it yesterday. But it's fine. The one I was looking for, or the main one I was looking for, was this one, right? That I told you guys, we got it once, we got it twice. Just like we did back here, right? 1, 2 crosses, 3 cross, got us to go up. I was looking at something more or less similar. 1, right? 1 here, 2, 3rd cross. See if we're gonna go up higher. We'll see. I mean, we're still not out of the woods by any means. If you want to look at this as a downsloping channel now, we could still be in a downsloping channel of sorts. That would be, again, guys, I'm just giving you the possibilities, right? You guys make your own trade based on the possibility that I'm letting you guys know that I can see at least. It's a little bit too open to be in a downsloping channel, so that's fine. I guess we're not in the channel. My eyes deceived me. Thank you for being here, man. Anyways, we're breaking up above that line. We knew we could get moves to the upside that were good. That's fine. We did held on to this 20. Remember yesterday we said someone asked about confirmation on the break, and I did say, look, we got to break out. Next candle has to confirm being above, or at least touch back for support. We managed to hold on above that 20, which was pretty good. Then we used the 20 as support, and they really bounced from there. Again, not 100% out of the woods. We're still below this zero line. We could still be on a little bit of a bearish turf. We know we're above the 200 moving average, so that puts us on the bull territory yet. When I said bearish turf, it's because we're really gonna pump more to get away from that 200 moving average, right? We gotta take really advantage of this cross and milk it so we can see that price action on the upside. Let's go here on the 1 hour Bitcoin. Let's bring out this other chart that I have for Bitcoin, and I'll make it larger in a second for you guys to see as well. And here we're gonna look at the bands basically, just see if we're getting crosses, golden crosses, right? We talked about golden crosses yesterday. We got one at here 2, 3 in the morning. We got the cross of the 20 over the 50. Now we're getting the cross of the 20 over the 100. Coming up next, 50 over the 100, right? And that's gonna put us in a bull trend again. If you remember, I was talking about the dead crosses. Now we're getting the golden crosses. Last time we got golden crosses was way back here. Way back here, man. Jesus, I can't even find it. Here it is. We started to get golden crosses, or some golden crosses over here. So on January the 28th, right, we started cross that 20 here going over the 50, right? The 20 going over the 100, 50 going over the 100, and then finally going over the 200. And look at the spikes that we're getting, right? So we're starting to do positive moves, which is good. That's what we want to see. We haven't done them in a while, almost a month of those crosses, right? Because we just bare crossed everything. Now we're getting bull crosses, so golden crosses, which is what we look for, right? That's what we want to find out. Yesterday we didn't quite have them yet. We mentioned them. We just touched base on them. We didn't call them because they weren't there, but we started to get the crosses, right? That's one cross here, right? Then there'll be another cross happening here over here. This is gonna show. Here we go. Right there, right? Even slightly smaller. There we go, man. Right here's a cross also going up. We're gonna get a cross over here in a little bit if Bitcoin continues with its bullishness and manage to hold on here to the support at the 200, which is where we're at right now. The 200 exponential moving average on the 1 hour. We could be looking for a bounce and maybe go higher and get above the 200 and get everything back in synchrony, right? The 20 over the 50 over the 100, and the 100 over the 200, and that would be really good for Bitcoin. We're looking for more action to the upside there. Doesn't matter. Thank you very much for the support, man. I appreciate it. You should get leggings also for when Bitcoin gets 100,000. We can be legging buddies, right? Let's go check out real quick Bitcoin to Canadian dollar. And then we'll move on to BAT, right? Because we're on Bitcoin topic. Let's just keep on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin to Canadian dollar at 60,407. Yeah, 6,738. Buy Bitcoin to US, sell it in Canada. It's more expensive. Joking. It is pumping. It is doing good. It's above that 1618. Again, like we were discussing the other day, it was looking different. And I think it was 2 days ago that we were saying this. And it's because the Canadian dollar was getting territory against the US dollar. And that's what it wasn't looking 100% the same, right? So, DHS, fuck DHL, dude. Sorry, shouldn't curse. DHL, man, they suck. I'm really pissed at them right now. I don't want to talk to them. They suck at delivering. They did say they attempted delivery, they didn't do it. Now they're gonna charge me. What they said? Half, like for reals. It's dumb. Like the package is worth, I don't know, like $300. No, it's $150. They're gonna charge me $75 just on fees. That's freaking stupid, man. I hate DHL. Every time I try to use something, I don't use DHL because they really suck at everything. They're like the worst company out there for delivery, man. I do believe that, man. I'm sorry about that. It's just my impression of them. It's not the first time I have problems with them on deliveries. They just suck major. Not deliveries, man, you know. Like FedEx has no problems finding my house. Just DHL couldn't find the house for some reason. It's just dumb, dude. Oh, the guy was there, but he didn't. The lady told me like the guy was there, but he didn't ring the bell. I was like, oh, how am I supposed to know the package arrived, dude? Like I told you guys, sometimes like the street is really busy, and sometimes they don't find a parking spot, and they don't want to really go park on the next street and walk over to deliver the package. So they just say they attempted delivery, which is dumb. I know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I told them to just leave it at the nearest DHL store. I'm going to go sign. And then the lady told me, well, there's going to be delivery fee. There's going to be a fee they got to pay. Sorry about that. It's a fee you got to pay. And it is, you know, for X amount. Just quick second, man. It's my day job. I got to make sure it's important. Awesome. I picked up and they hang up. Great. Gavin, what? Jesus, man. It's not Gavin, it's Lackvier. All right, that's awesome. Jesus. Oh man, what the hell? Elman, the attack of Elman. Jeez, man. All right. It seems to be longer than the rest, man. Legendary, man. There it is. There it is, one up. Fatality, man. You wanted to pay for the ledger. Yeah, I know. It's insane. They're gonna charge me like a lot more for that. It's just freaking, they're fucking dumb, dude. I'm so pissed at DHL. I'm so pissed at DHL. Anyways, then now it says 48 hours. So I now have to wait 2 more days to go pick it up, which it's just freaking dumb. They're like, let's keep moving because otherwise I'm going to get back into it. And I really just want to put that behind me. It's freaking crazy, dude. I hate them so much. Yo, it's Daystream whipping. I always come here for buy stocks and whatever. Bitcoin Canadian again, moving down. Trying to hold support of the 1618, which is pretty good. Low high, negative, less negative, low high. Nothing here that is bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. 4 hour potential level bottom. We talked about it. Here it looks a little bit more like the double bottom still playing out. Which again, not too bad for the Canadian Bitcoin. It looks a lot better for a double bottom actually than the regular Bitcoin. The US Bitcoin, right? So Canadian Bitcoin doing better. Strong bullish divergence action to the upside. Called that one out a while back, a couple days ago on the 25th. Still in play. It's weird, 25th. Seems like we're missing data. And then it goes from the 26th to the 28th. So 27, it wasn't open for trading, I guess. Now on the 1st. Great, so it's starting to move up a little bit. That is fine. Looks like we need. Let's see if we can move on to the upside still. But again, it's probably going to. The US dollar is the main market for Bitcoin. So it's going to basically move and drop with Bitcoin, right? It's probably not going to do its own thing. Again, above that 20 moving average on the 4 hour, which is really good. Had a low. 350, 345. 350. Had a low, slightly lower still, and here we're also lower, right? Had a low still. Something bearish. Let's go here, Luna. Sure, man. Ignore the list that's going up at the top. That's not the move we're doing right now. It's just from the night stream, but I should turn it off for the stocks, and then I'll turn it off right now. Alright, it's currently gone. What are we doing here? Low high. 397. 371. Again, same move, man. Same move. Jesus. I get scared now.
Gavin, Larks ahead.
Jesus. All right. For some reason, legendary, man. There it is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dude. Adam. There it is. For some reason, yours are a lot shorter than Gavin's. Lackvir's. Lackvir's is going forever, man. Lackvir's are like 2 minutes long. Yours are like 30 seconds. But it's awesome. Thank you very much. It doesn't matter. I get scared now when I hear that. I'm like, is it gonna be L's again? Oh, I'm not getting the L attack. Neutral at 56.9 again. That's it for Canadian Bitcoin. Not doing much. Still got about 27 minutes to go. So let's move. Let's start doing better time. Again, some action to downside on that bearish divergence. We don't have anything else that is bullish. It's all good for Canadian Bitcoin. Again, it's going to follow US Bitcoin. And let's go to BAT. The BAT. Batarang. Here we go, man. What's happening with Batman? I have a lot of fibs, I think. So let's get rid of some fibs. I have major fibs and minor fibs. So, all right, cool. I just need to see where they were at. We're above the 1618. We're heading to the major fib 618, which is pretty good, I guess. Again, going up. We had the bullish divergence hidden. Action to the upside. We're getting it to pump. That's great. Nothing bearish. High, low. Positive, positive, high, low. Neutral. So we're bought at 60.32. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Yours wouldn't let you put in 150 characters. Oh, awesome, dude. That's why. Yeah, I mean, this stream is usually just for 1 hour on the dot. I have to like leave here. I know it started late, but I have to leave here at 2. I was with DHL on the call, and like the lady was just pissing me off with like dumb answers. Like why the guy didn't ring the bell. It's not in our policies to blah blah blah. I was like, Jesus, you don't ring the bell. How am I supposed to know that the guy was outside, right? So like they're giving me like the dumb answers to like get out of everything, I guess. She was reading probably out of the manual what she should answer, and that's insane. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, slight there. Might undo it if it pumps a little bit more on BAT. So again, We had the strong bullish back here. We're still running on that, which is good. Hidden bullish here. I usually don't rant about that kind of stuff, right? Personal stuff that's like negative, because who wants to hear negative rants? But this time, it was right before the stream, and I was really ticked off. Anyways, strong bearish, hidden bullish. Now we have strong bearish. Potential action to the downside. We'll see, right? Answer that. DHS at the door. Now they're not going to deliver again today. They're just go like F themselves, I guess. There's so many other great companies for delivery. I'm not sure why people still trust DHL. Bought at 62.77 again. Bearish divergence. We'll see where we go from there, man. Let's go here on the 1 hour, man. Again, on the 1 hour, we're creating that strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside, right? I'm good. I'm over it now. Anyway, strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. Going for that 20. That 20 sitting at 55.40 cents. Lower negative, less negative again, dude. That is some strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. Moving up on that, again, starting to create that strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. And that's what I'm looking at right now, right? How is this going to affect the price? Where's it going to go? Primary target will be the 20 moving average for BAT. Do I have fibs here? For some reason, the fibs are not showing here. So let's go on the daily and get the fibs to show here real quick. I want to see where we're at. Get some bearings with the fibs. So let's get this one here. And yeah, they're just on the daily. So let's go here and 1 hour and the 4 hour. That should work. Let's get over here again. And we're above that 1618 again. That's pretty good, I guess, for now. That 20 still above that 1618, which again, in a movement down, the 20 will be the primary target right now. If Bitcoin keeps on being bullish, that would very likely still be bullish, right? So that's it for BAT. Let's go to engine. Go music stop. Engine at 66.39. What are we doing here, dude? We're creating bearish divergence also, right? Let's go on the daily first. On the daily, we had the hidden bullish. We're pumping in that, getting above the 1618, which again is pretty good. High to low. It's gonna start creating bearish divergence now. Not the strongest bearish. Well, it is strong bearish divergence, but I'm not sure how much weight you want to put on this. We're starting to create this positive momentum island. It's very tiny as the first bar. We know they go on building, right? So it could still go on making more positive momentum. That would be fine. About to get across to that MACD over that signal line, which we're getting. It's just very small. That's why we're making positive momentum. We also have that strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? So again, it's just starting to build. You can go on pumping up. Again, it's the first candle that we're doing. I'll wait for a little bit more before I actually declare it. Fraction to the downside, but we'll see, right? I'm using TradingView. Thank you for asking. Crypto for you, what's up, man? Thanks for being here. What is happening here short term, right? Higher, right? High to low. Again, strong bearish divergence action to the downside. See whether or not this is going to trigger. We don't have anything bullish back here. We didn't have anything bullish. Again, probably rallying with the rest of crypto, which is fine. And even here, short term, we didn't have anything. Here we have that strong bearish, just putting that pressure on the price to go down. That is fine. Bought at 60.28. So again, maybe we still cool off a little bit more. Eagle or BQX. Sure, man. I mean, I am only here for an hour, so I got 20 minutes. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get through the whole list, right? If not, come to the night stream and we'll get through the rest. So this, I leave the stream in 20 minutes more or less. We'll try to get through everything though, right? Try to get through everything, man. There we go. On the 1 hour, what we're seeing across crypto, right? Bitcoin has this bearish divergence. Engine is also having this bearish divergence against MACD only, right? Against MACD only. All right. Again, strong bearish divergence, section to the downside. Target right now, the 20 moving average at 61.28 cents. To break that, the 1618, it's at around 60 plus, I think. So let's go here. So close enough, 60.80. We got caught there for engine again. That is a move down. Let's go check out Luna. Luna and let's go with this one, USD. We don't have it against Binance dollar, so we do have it against the US dollar though, calculated by TradingView, which should be close enough to the Binance dollar. Right, the moves should be more or less similar. So again, coming down, finding support at 618. Again, not bad. Low, high, negative, more negative. All right, so we have some hidden bullish divergence here for potential action to the upside, right? So this is it here. Again, a lot of crypto had this move, right? A lot of the minor coins had this move, or a lot of the alts had this move. Right, there we go. Some hidden bullish action to the upside. Right now, struggling with that 20 moving average, which again, it's okay, right? We could close above it today, maybe try to find support there tomorrow and bounce even more. We'll see how the day keep on playing for alts and Bitcoin in general. Again, Bitcoin is having some bearish divergence right now, which might affect the alts. Here in the short term, again, on the 4 hour, some strong bullish divergence, which I kind of like because I don't think we're doing the bearish divergence yet. Let's see. Oh, no, we are. We are having that hidden bearish. Jesus. It's across the market. It's across the market. High to low, then low to high, right? High to low, neutral. Oh, too many data. All right. Neutral 54.46. That is it, dude. Up to here, we're okay. Again, hidden bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside, or at least some stalling to happen. Could get us to target that 20 moving average at 5.80. Right now, it's 6.21. Let's see if the bullish divergence is strong. It still trumps, which usually does, right? It still trumps any hidden bearish that could bring some action to the upside. Still, John, what's up? Why are you sad? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, we had some bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? Did get the action to the upside, which is good. It's a good, man. It's a good. It's a good. Actually, the upside, we're pumping on that. Great. High, higher high. And we're coming high to low, right? And high to low here as well. So we do have some of this baddish divergence strong right now. Potential action to downside on Luna. Again, it's very likely following Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin, right? We had the draw with the bullish divergence. Now we're breaking to the upside. If we were to draw that line that Bitcoin had, he had resistance. We're probably looking at something similar also, right? Breaking that area to the upside again. It's not doing its own thing, so, we'll see. Where's Seamus? Oh, that's true, man. Forgot to bring Seamus out. Seamus! It's here. Yeah, sorry, guys. During the stream, I usually rush through stuff, but there is a Seamus, man. There's the Seamus. Let's go to Adam. But this stream, I'm usually rushing, so if I forget to bring Seamus, guys, let me know. I'll bring him out immediately. Sometimes I'm not tracking. You left home without a baby. Yeah, you left it home without a babysitter. No, he's here. No black eyes so far. So he's behaving, right? He is behaving still. Seamus doing good, man, right? I'm gonna buy a Seamus twin brother. I'll see if I can find a Seamus twin brother. Let's go to Adam. Then we'll have Seamus, and I'm not sure what we're gonna name his twin brother. It's not gonna be McHoddle though. His twin brother needs to be like something bearish, I guess, in the name. We'll see. Let's go to the daily. Anyways, hello, neutral at 51.13 again. Adam, nothing here on the daily. We are moving lower still, right? And we did still have this hidden divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, that's fine. Just against the MACD, right? Hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. We hit that 20, rejected, find support again at the 2618. Try to bounce more. What I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna remove this Bollinger Bands and I'm gonna re-anchor by going from low to high because we did make a valid retrace now, and I want to see where we can retrace to. We can see that the low, and then there's a high. If you don't know what I'm considering the low, at this point here to be the low. To the high, we're making a valid retrace to at 236, and we're bouncing at the 382, which again would be fine. Some people might like to re-anchor this to here, maybe, right? The more immediate low. And it still works the same. We're not really getting a hit spot on the 382, but again, it's close enough. I just want to get a reference to see where we're floating at. Let's go to the 4 hour. Jump a McDip. No, it has to be it could be a McDip, not a McHoddle, but it could be Seamus' cousin, I guess. But he still needs to get an Irish name, though. Low, lower, negative, less negative, right? Let's go here on the 4 hour chart. And then let's go negative, less negative again, and low to high still. So again, strong bullish divergence, potential function to the upside. We are moving up on that slightly. Looks like we're rejecting something. We might have some bearish divergence hidden. Yep, we have some hidden divergence. I'm noticing it. James, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated.
I bought a coffee cup and joined the Discord. Thanks for all our hard work.
Yo, dude, thank you very much, man. There it is.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. That's so cool. Thank you very much for the kind donation, man. And thank you for purchasing the merch. I'm not sure how they pay out or anything. It's the first time I've set up a store, so awesome for the support, man. Thank you for the support on the merch, man. I hope you enjoy the coffee mug. Let me know the quality though, because I never used Teespring before. I know a lot of people use it. They said it's pretty good, but I'm not sure, man. But thanks for letting me know, James. I really appreciate that. Had a low. Neutral at 46.41. That's it for Adam here. Again, we have that hidden divergence. We don't have anything else that is bullish. We could still run on this bullish divergence back here, but right now it just seems like it's tightening, right? It looks like we might start making a triangle here. Low, higher low. Right, and every time we're coming up here, now we're looking at movements like this, right? So, high to low still. So again, potential symmetrical triangle starting to form here on Adam. We're rejecting the 20 moving average on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for Adam. Hit mugs from them. Awesome, dude. Yo, sure, crypto for you. I'm not sure if I'm going to have time, though, right? Again, I'm pressed for time. I still got 13 minutes to go. I still got 4 projects to look at. I might not be able to get to it right now. We can do it afterwards, right? On the night stream. So whatever we don't get through today, we'll look at it in the night stream, right? We could look at it on the night stream if you request it again. Night stream starts with its own queue. This one is just a free-for-all, I would say. Basically, whoever gets here first and requests gets their coin done. And with strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, pumping up on that, high to low, possible is positive. Yep. Hidden bearish divergence, putting some pressure on this price, right? Sorry, no, high to low, high to low, high to low. What am I talking about? There's no hidden bearish. That's good. That is good. Strong bearish divergence in the short term, though. Here to here going higher. Here to here coming lower, right? Again, strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. Let's see how this is going to play out. Sitting at the 20 moving average, hitting and rejecting right now. So we can still be looking for more action to the downside. Start to make that negative momentum. Let's see how good it's going to build. Potential moves, right? If we decide to drop and go low, we have that 1618 here at $16.99 to look for. Oh, no, sorry, it's the 382 because we refibbed, right? So it's a 382 to look for at $16.99. Then to the upside, we have the 236 at $20.13 to look forward to. Again, that is what I'm looking here on Adam. Let's go to, someone said run? Raven, sorry, Raven, not run, Raven. Let's push Raven to the dollar, man. 16.26 cents. Let's get on the daily quick on the daily. Again, going up, hitting that 236, again, rejecting slightly. That is fine. We have the hidden bullish divergence still running on that. It's okay. Nothing off with that. Consolidation pattern. Again, down sloping after an impulse up. Should break to the upside. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, again, hidden strong bullish divergence. Sorry, on the 4 hour. Strong bullish. Pumping on that. Are we creating anything bearish? No. High, low, positive, high to low. It's all good. Neutral at 53.26. Again, still has that strong bullish divergence. It's just facing some resistance here at the 236. The 1 hour might have a clue. Might have strong bearish. Yes, we do. Right? High, higher high, high to low, right? And high to low here as well. So with that, we have strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. That's why you're stalling. We have near resistance, pushing back from there. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing bullish. So we're gonna make negative momentum. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. Nothing bullish still. Neutral at 56.42. We're at the 20. We're trying to hold support there. If we find support at the 20, we could try to break that 236 and still move on higher. If we fail there, the move it's to the 382, and that is at 14.38 cents. That is it for Raven again. Let's wish for the best, but you're prepared for the worst, right? You know the targets to the downside, potential targets to the downside, and you know the target to the upside. And what happens? We'll break there. We'll break there. We're looking at a retrace still to reverse 100% at 22.53. Again, it's all going to depend on Bitcoin. Let's go to eGold. Sorry if I'm going fast through the stuff. I want to finish all the coins before I actually leave. So, eGold, where's it at? I'm not sure which eGold we look at. I have one here, and then I have one against the Binance dollar, so I can't remember. That's this one. Great. So again, we had the hidden bullish, pumping on that. That is great. Hitting the 20. We actually hit the 236 and rejected. Now we're hitting the 20 and rejecting slightly. Might feel a little bit bearish. High to low, possible is positive. High to low. We're neutral 55.85. Let's go to the 4 hour. This divergence still here, right? This bullish divergence strong, still there. We got to the support with it at the 382. The 50% retrace. Bounced on that, rejected 382. Try to get on a crack rejection once more, and finally getting through above that area, hitting that 236 and rejecting. So let's see, low, high, positive, high, low, dude. Is it here? Right on some hit bearish on the 4 hour chart. It does have something for that action to downside here on the immediate term, so it's pretty good. Then we're finding something for the move, right? The move is justified. It does have some hidden bearish divergence. So it moved down, found support at 382 again, and trying to bounce. We don't have anything else here that is bearish. This move, it's against the MACD and the RSI, right? So also here we're going higher. Again, trying to move up. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, high to low. High to low, high to low. I'm not going to call anything bearish here. Low, lower, negative, more negative. All right, negative, less negative, sorry. Here we do have some of this strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside, guys. That is awesome. There we go. And here we're also new month today. New month, new goals, right? We got to come up with goals for this month. Again, strong bullish divergence action to the upside, right? Higher, high to low. Right. Then strong bearish divergence. I'm just going to call this because this is what matters right now, right? Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. 64.56, 65, slightly higher, so we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. High, low, then low, high. From here to here, it would be from here to here. We would have some hidden bearish divergence. Move this down here slightly. Pumped again, that is fine. Trying to move down on that strong bearish divergence. Let's see where it's going to go, man, right? It's starting to build that negative momentum. Neutral at 50.57. That's it for eGold. Let's go to BQX. 9 p.m. Central, man. Thank you for asking. I'm always here at 9 p.m. Central. Just jumped in today for a quick day stream. Just an hour. BQX. Thank you for joining me tonight. Again, guys, I haven't been doing this lately, but if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, join us on the Discord. Link's pinned at the top. And also buy merch on Teespring. I think I also should put that up there. Andrew, GME, sure, man. Again, I got 7 minutes left. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get through GME, dude. It looks like we just covered crypto today, Andrew. Let me rush through BQX. I'm not sure if we're doing anything since last time we looked at it. Again, hidden bullish, pumping on that, finding support at the previous 100%. That is fine. Heading for that 1618. Again, everything's good here. Nothing off. Bought at 68.54. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Again, if I'm just looking at divergences, because I don't have a lot of time to do anything else. Strong bullish, action to the upside, pumping up. Sideways motion, low to high. Nothing here that is bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. And we had the bearish divergence fraction to downside. Do we still have it up here? Yeah, maybe. Maybe we still have it up here. Short term here, we are going slightly higher, right? So from here to here on BQX. And from here. And from here to here as well, right? So bearish divergence strong, action to downside. We're moving down on that. That is fine. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low to high, neutral at 45.25. We don't have anything bullish right now. We're breaking below that 20. Target below that 20 would be the previous 100% closing. Somewhere in here, $5.06. If we move to the upside, we're looking at the 1618, which is at 8.18. Right now, sitting at $6.70. It's really going to depend on what Bitcoin does, right? BQX, again, it's fine. I'm not really worried about it yet. Right? It's starting to consolidate, it's starting to move down, breaking that 20 again. Would rather have it develop a little bit more before we actually know if we're onto a bearish move, or we might still consolidate sideways here, right? Which looks like we've been doing for the last couple days. All the moves here, again, I'm just going to use the measure tool to highlight this, but all the moves are more or less within this zone, right? So, I mean, they are within that zone, and that's why I highlighted it. But, I mean, it's just sideways motion within this area, and most of the moves can probably be accommodated within these zones. Right? A majority of the moves. So that's fine. Again, that's it for BQX. Let's go to OMG real quick. And then see if we have time to do GME. OMG. Again, at night, request them again. We might be able to do them with more a little bit slower pace and look for more stuff. Right now, again, I'm just rushing to try to cover everything. So low, high, negative, more negative, right? It's first things, bearish divergence. Sorry. I'm going to take that one as soon as I finish. So. Again, there is some bullish divergence here. Hidden potential action to the upside against the MACD and the RSI. I didn't anchor this. Yeah, I did. Awesome, dude. That's it. Potential action to the upside. We're getting to that 382, trying to bounce a little bit more. We'll see what we go from there. Let's go to the 4-hour low, lower, negative, less negative. Again, action to the upside potentially here on the fact that we have strong bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart. I'm not seeing anything bearish real quick here on this. So let's keep rolling, man. Let's keep rolling, right? Jesus, man. You gotta...
Can you do TA on dollar DHS stock?
Jesus, man. Come on, man. Crazy with the owls, dude. Jeez, man. All right, let me finish this, man. You're cutting it close to the end of the stream, man. I'm gonna do that one, dude. Andrew, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get through GME, man. Because I got 4 minutes left, and I still gotta do DHL. That came with a donation, man. Anyways, bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, bouncing on that, creating some hidden bearish, maybe moving down, heading for that 20. It looks like we're bouncing in the air there. That is fine. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. I don't have the fibs coming through. That's okay. Right now, I'm not gonna worry too much about the fibs. I forgot to anchor all of this on the awesome 4-hour chart, which I gotta do. Otherwise, it's gonna be looking really messy, man. You're just playing. You don't want me to do the DHL? All right, that's awesome, dude. I wouldn't mind doing it. I mean, I'll probably just be hoping that it was going down or something. Not for the people that are holding it, but on account that they suck, but do wish no evil upon that one, right? Oh, lower negative, less negative. Again, here on Amazing Go, some strong bullish divergence, just like other cryptos. Again, we're seeing similarities to what other projects we're doing. That is fine. Strong bullish here, and then we're creating some strong bearish up here, right? And that's how the party's going, right? Again, what is this? 374, 396. I get here short term, it's just very small. But we do have this bearish divergence, right? All right, cool. So he was just kidding with DHL. Just playing, dude. I know, you're just playing. I know, I'm just playing, man. Anyways, moving down, heading for that 20, potentially on that strong bearish divergence. We'll see where we go from there. You guys do Ethereum? No Ethereum today, man. Again, this stream is just a Bitcoin and then whatever gets requested, so. It's a quick midday recap. So it's actually for stocks in crypto. It just one stock got requested. There's a lot of focus on crypto. GME at $116 and 17 cents. Let's get on the daily, man. I mean, technicals don't really apply for this, right? We know it is moving up $116 and 17 cents, which is okay. Again, nothing here. We had this hidden bullish. That is fine. Still plays. Here we were coming lower, diverging here. So you'd say even that we were, on this move here. Created some slanted, strong bullish divergence, which is fine. Actually, to the upside. We already knew we were going to get this. But again, so much manipulation happening that it doesn't really matter. High to low, positives, positive, high to low. Neutral at 57.19. Let's see on the weekly. On the weekly, it's fine also. Nothing happening here. Again, so much manipulation happening that it's hard to tell, man. Let's go on the 5-minute. I'm not sure if you're day trading this or not, Andrew, but it'd be nice to know so I can know what timescales to look at. There's no point in looking at shorter timescales if you're not going to day trade it, right? Low to high, negative, more negative. Again, right off the bat, even from here to here. All right, with this small nothingness of island that we have. Don't matter if that goes to the 30 from here to here, from here to here, and then we have that hidden bullish potential action to the upside, pumping on that. Are we going higher than the previous high? That is a question. Let's zoom in. High to low, positives, positive, high to low. Nothing bearish right now. I can get some pullback, maybe something on the 1 hour. We have some divergence there. Too much hype on GME for TA. Yeah, it's all moving on manipulation. Let's say of the market. We know that, so you can try to do analysis on it. Might not apply. Again, there's some strong bearish divergence here, right? For potential action and downside. That's where we're pushing down. That is fine. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of weight on any technicals on GME because it's people getting together to pump it, right? Yeah. Right now, we know that there's good actors and bad actors here at play, so not really point on doing this. Low, high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish still here, by the way. From here to here. from here to here. It's starting to move up on that a little bit. That is fine. We have it against MACD and the RSI, dude. That's it. That's all the time I got. I think we run through everything except for DHL. Sorry about that. Doesn't matter. We didn't even get to do DHL today. We'll do it in the night stream. See if I'm happier with them. Which probably it's not going to be the case. Thank you all for being here, guys. Again, this is the Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. Today, Jesus, I just keep saying tonight, for this awesome stream. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links pinned at the top of the message. Also, what else was I going to say? Remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. That being said, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is the Crypto again. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here. I'll catch you again tonight for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.